Alright guys, welcome to hopefully another fun unboxing. You have one of these cool Amazon parcels to start off with. There we go. Let's get this out and see what we got in the package. This is looking promising, so let's see what this is all about. Ooh, fancy pantsy. Alright, so this looks like a soldering iron, and hopefully it is the thing that I was looking for, so we'll try to get this off here real quick and in good style. I usually make a mess out of these things. Come on now, just get out there. It's very fancy pantsy. It even has a, it's almost like an Apple product or something. Here, let's see, how does this actually work?
Likey